How can you create viral videos for your YouTube channel? So that's why we are diving into the holy grail for many creators, the viral content. We all dreams of creating content that explodes online, reaching a massive audience and skyrocketing our channel. But how do you find those golden contents idea in a specific niche? Fear not, fellow creators. In this video, we'll crack the code and unlock the secrets to finding viral content ideas that resonate with your niche. So grab your creativity hat and prepare to be amazed. Section 1. Know your niche like the back of your hand. Before you embark on the viral quest, understanding your niche is essential. Who are you creating for? What are their interests, pain point, and online behavior? Deep knowledge of your niche helps you to tailor content to their specific needs and desire. Research trending topics, looks for what is sparking conversion and excitement with your niche. Section 2. Become a social media pro. Social media platforms are treasure troves of inspiration for viral content. Follow industry leaders and influencers. See what kind of content resonates with their audience. Engage with communities and discussion. Look for trending hashtags and topics in your niche. Utilize social listening tools. Tools like Vajomo and Brand24 can help you identify trending content and conversion. Section 3. Learn from the viral masters. The best way to learn by example, analyze successful viral content within your niche. What elements make them so popular? Is it humor, information, or emotional connection? Can you adapt this element to create something unique within your own content style? Remember, don't copy, be inspired, find your own voice, and add your unique style. Section 4. Think outside the box, but stay with your niche. Viral contents often break the mold. Here are some ways push boundaries while staying relevant. Unconventional formats. Could you turn a complex topic into a catchy animation or a song? Humor can be a powerful tool if it fits your brand. Explore humor to make your content more engaging. Collaborate with other creators. Team up with someone in your niche for a fresh perspective and wider reach. Section 5. Quality over quantity. While virality is exciting, focus on creating high quality content constantly. Invest in good production value. Audio and visual matters for grabbing attention. Provide genuine value to your audience. Inform, entertain, or inspire them in a meaningful way. Be authentic and passionate. Your genuine enthusiasm will shine through and connect with viewers. So guys, finding viral content ideas is a journey, not a destination. By understanding your niche, leveraging social media, learning from others, and injecting your unique voice, you will increase your chance to creating content that takes flight. Remember, it's about creating awesome content that resonates with your audience, and virality might just follow you. So guys, I hope you learned something new by this video. If you learned something new and enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.